In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your lists and contacts in Constant Contact. Efficiently organizing your contacts can make a significant difference in the way you manage communications and marketing. So let's dive right in and get started on how you can streamline this process. The first step is creating contact lists. Think of contact lists as the containers that hold groups of contacts together based on your specific criteria. This helps you target the right group of people with the right message. So the first thing you want to do is navigate to the Contacts section within Constant Contact. Once you're there, click on Lists. Now, you'll see an option to Create List. Go ahead and click on that button. Now, when you create a new list, it's essential to give it a descriptive name. For example, consider names like Food Blog Sidebar or Hillington Contacts to clearly reflect what the list is about. This will make it easier to manage in the long run. Think carefully about how to categorize your lists. It might be useful to consider criteria such as demographics, interests, or behaviors when deciding how to segment your contacts. Organizing this way can help tailor your communication strategies more effectively. Let's touch on some best practices for list creation. Firstly, make sure your list names are clear and reflect their purpose accurately. This will be incredibly helpful as you continue to add new lists over time. Another important tip is to ensure each list has a unique name. You don't want to get confused between different groups as your database grows. Remember, don't be afraid to create multiple lists. In fact, it's often beneficial as a single contact can belong to more than one list. This can expose them to a variety of messages, broadening their engagement with your content. Moving on to tags, which are another fantastic tool for fine-grained organization. Tags are essentially labels that provide additional insights about your contacts. You can create tags based on specific criteria such as lead magnet, freebie, or B2B. These labels can be very powerful as they offer more precise ways to segment and target your audience. You can add tags to individual contacts or even apply the same tag to multiple contacts across different lists. This ability to cross-segment can improve your targeting capabilities significantly. By systematically creating and organizing your lists and applying tags in Constant Contact, you're setting up a robust framework for managing your contacts effectively. This will not only enhance your marketing efforts, but also ensure you're communicating with your audience in a more personalized and targeted way. Stay organized, get creative with your segments, and watch your engagement levels rise. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful as you take charge of your contact organization.